Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick review on the Jobsmart 4-drawer tool chest from Tractor Supply. Its item number is 1357995. This is the top. This is the first drawer, all my different pliers. In the second drawer, all my different screwdrivers. Third drawer, we have a pipe wrench, pry bars, 12-inch and 8-inch adjustable wrench. And in the last drawer, we have just some hyper tough wrenches from Walmart, standard and metric. And on the outside, we have a level, work light, magnetic parts holder, and another little flashlight. I got this from Tractor Supply. I downsized from my Husky tool chest. I like this one better because it can just fit on my workbench and doesn't take up much space at all, and really gave me the chance to downsize anything I don't really use for tools. Everything that's in this tool chest is everything I use daily on my commonly used hand tools, pliers, wrenches, sockets. This is it right here. If anyone's interested in picking yourself up one of these, again, I got this at Tractor Supply. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.